Hello and welcome back. In this video I will show you how to create a P12 certificate with the help of the certificate signing request we created in the last video. So first of all we need to go to the developer account from Apple. Here you have the login URL, and on the first page you will see the three areas to join, and please go to certificates, identifiers and profiles. Then you can add another certificate by clicking the blue plus. Please just solely select iOS distribution as you want to create a release app. In order to create test apps, you don't need a certificate. This is only relevant if you want to restrict the user database or the user group to maybe just people from your company, but usually it's not required to create development or test certificates. So please check iOS distribution, hit continue. And now is the time to upload the certificate signing request here, which is saved on my desktop. Here we go. And if I would then click on continue, then a P12 certificate would be created. I'm not finalizing this step as there's only then a feedback that the certificate has been created. But in order to show you what then happens is that there is here on the bottom, I already created another certificate in the last days. You will then see this area, this file here, and you will download not the P12 certificate. In order to create that, there's one final step to be done. So we are downloading a CER file, which is like the ingredient to create a P12 certificate. So let's download this. Here we go. Switch back to my desktop. Here is the distribution certificate. Usually it's enough to double click it, so then the keychain app will open. Let's try that. Here we go, it's opening, and this should have been added now here. So as you can see, the expiration date, you can always identify if you have multiple provisioning P12 certificates. Here you can see the expiration date, 26th of July next year, and it's the same here. So now the final step to do is to right click, click export, and then you can select the file format. This is already P12, so it's all good. Just give it a name like Live Sprylab in my case, so I know that this is for all the apps. P12 certificates can be used for many apps, so please use a meta name and not just for one app. And if you now hit save, then you will need to provide a password. Please remember this password. This is crucial for the submit. So and also choose a safe password, not just 123 or so. Provide a good password. And after that step, let's do that again. Then hit OK. Okay now. And now the very final step is that you need to provide the password of your MacBook. So when you log in, please then type the password here, and then it should be good to go. Here we go. And now we have a P12 certificate here.